You know that feeling when you dig out an old photo album, and there it is. Your graduation photo. Maybe it's from kindergarten. Maybe it's high school. Maybe it's the day you finally walked across that stage and picked up your diploma. But the photo is faded, scratched. The colors have gone dull. The faces are blurry. And that video your dad filmed on his camcorder? Unwatchable. What if I told you you could bring all of that back? Not just restore it, but make it look better than the day it was taken? And today, I am going to share the method. Let's dive in. Graduation season is literally right around the corner, and today I'm going to show you how to take all of your graduation memories, whether they're from kindergarten, high school, or university, and make them look absolutely incredible using one tool. That tool is Wondershare UniConverter V17. It's a complete multimedia toolkit, combining video/audio conversion, AI-powered enhancement, compression, screen recording, and more into one package. If you are new, grab the link from the description and install the app on your device. It supports Windows, Mac, and mobile. Alright, so this is Wondershare UniConverter V17, and the first thing you'll notice is just how clean and organized the interface is. Everything is laid out really intuitively. So the first thing I want to show you is the AI image enhancer. And this is honestly where UniConverter V17 really shines this year, because they've added some incredible new AI models that didn't exist in the previous version. I've got 3 graduation photos here that I'm going to use as examples, each one with a different problem. This first one is a high school graduation photo, captured with a mobile phone. It's colorful but not decent. The second one is an old kindergarten graduation photo. This one is badly scratched, faded, and honestly almost unwatchable. And the third one, this is a middle school photo, dark, grainy, and underexposed. 3 very different problems. And UniConverter 17 has a specific AI model for each one. Let me show you. I am selecting the image enhancer tool from here. Now click here and upload the image. I'll start with this high school photo. I'm going to drag it in here, and you can see the original on the left side. Now here you will find all the enhancer models. Everyone is for different uses. You can use them as per your needs. However, you can see that UniConverter has already suggested to us 2 features, face enhancement and advanced repair. Basically, the AI analyzes the image and then suggests the features. If you want to change them, you can do it. I will go with the recommendation. Now, to see the preview, click here. Now, after enhancing the image, it will give you a preview here, and here you can see the result. This is really amazing. We got a fresh, enhanced, and clear image, and most importantly, it didn't change the person's face. It's still the same person as in the original image. Now to export the image, click on the Export All button from here, and here it is. The image is ready. So, now don't worry about any unclear, dark, or blurry photos. Just use UniConverter to fix them. Now this is the one I'm most excited to show you. This is a kindergarten graduation photo from the early 90s. Look at it. There are scratches running across the whole image. The colors have completely faded, and there are stains and tears around the edges. This is the kind of photo that most people would just give up on. But not now. This time I will use the advanced Nano Banana model. I am selecting the Old Photo Clarity Boost feature under the Advanced Old Photo Repair section. Now click on the Preview button to see the preview. And here it is. The preview image is ready. The scratches, gone. The stains, gone. The fading. Look how the colors have come back to life. And look at the face. This child is completely recognizable now when you couldn't even tell who it was before. This is the kind of thing that would have taken a professional photo editor hours to do manually. UniConverter V17 just did it in seconds. If you have old family graduation photos like this feature alone is worth downloading the app for. Alright, last photo. And this one has a different set of problems. It's not scratched or torn. It's captured with a low-resolution phone camera. You can see that the light and color of the image are really a mess. So, I will select the lighting correction from Clarity and Light Enhancement. It's powered by the Nano Banana Pro model. Now, click on the Preview button. Look at that transformation. The grain is completely gone. The background is brighter and clearer. The face is sharp and properly lit. This looks like a completely different photo. In a good way. 3 problems. 1 model. Done. There are so many other image enhancer features available here. Everyone has their different capabilities. You can try it yourself. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. I've enhanced each photo individually to show you the different models. But in real life, you're probably going to have a whole album of graduation photos to work through. So instead of doing this one by one, I'll select all 3 photos at once and hit Export All. UniConverter 17 is now processing all 3 photos at the same time. Different models, different photos, all running in parallel. And there we go. All 3 graduation photos, fully enhanced, fully restored, in one go. That's the power of batch processing. Okay, so we've enhanced our photos. Now let's do something creative with them. UniConverter 17 has an image generator tool built right in. And for graduation season, it has 3 features that are incredibly useful. A YouTube thumbnail generator, a yearbook photo generator, and a graduation invitation generator. Let's see how it works. Let's say I want to create a yearbook photo with my enhanced graduation photo. After coming to this page, I will drag and drop the image, and then I will just select the graduation yearbook template from here. You will find several templates here to create your special occasion image. After selecting the template, you can customize the prompt and set the settings. Now just click on the Generate button. And here it is, the image is ready. This is perfect for creating digital yearbook pages, sending to family, or actually printing and framing at home. Now, in the same method, you can create a graduation invitation poster like that, or even create a YouTube thumbnail like that. It's truly impressive. Now that all our photos are enhanced and we've created our graphics, we need to make sure they're in the right format for wherever we're using them. I've got photos here in PNG, TIFF, BMP, a mix of everything. I want to convert them all to JPG for easy sharing and uploading. Select JPG as the output, hit Convert All, and done. All converted in seconds. But here's what I really love about this. Before I convert, I can also apply resize presets for different platforms, all at the same time. That's it. Let's move on to the videos. I'm bringing in this old graduation video, shot on a camcorder in the 90s. Let me just play it for a second so you can see what we're working with. Yeah, grainy, blurry. The colors are completely washed out. This is a real graduation ceremony, but it honestly looks like security footage from a parking lot. I'm going to open the AI Video Enhancer, select Quality Restoration, Ultra, and what this mode does is run 4 things simultaneously: AI upscaling to 2K resolution, grain and noise removal, color correction and contrast enhancement, and video stabilization for shaky footage. You can see the difference clearly. The output video is now much clearer, and the camera is not shaking. It looks like a pro video. However, you can use the Topaz Ultra to turn the video into a 4K video. Once you select the model, hit the export button. And here it is, the video is ready. This is a 30-year-old video, and it now looks better than it probably did when it was originally recorded. There are so many other features, you can try them yourself. Now, when you create a video using the latest camera and settings, it may be very large. Don't worry, you can compress the video into a small size without losing the quality. For example, I am selecting this video. It's 66 megabytes. I am selecting the AI compressor to compress the video. Let's click here. And here it is. The video is ready. And now it's only 11 megabytes without losing any quality. There are so many other video features available on UniConverter that will help you as a creator. And all of that: the image enhancer, the image generator, the image converter, the video enhancer, the video compressor, the batch processing, all of it inside one single app. No separate tools. Just UniConverter V17. If you've got graduation memories sitting in a folder somewhere that deserve better, I genuinely hope this video helped you see what's possible. The free trial link is in the description. Go download it, try it on your own photos and videos, and let me know in the comments how it turned out. And if this video helped you out at all, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.